This is the Axiom Streamliner disc DLX bike rack. It's disc because they've built these extenders on it to give you more room for disc brakes to operate with the bike rack on the bike, and Streamliner because it's narrower at the top than it is at the bottom, so it follows the shape of your bike, making it more aerodynamic than a traditional big square bike rack. I think it looks better too, that's my opinion. And then you can see where it connects here. It also, you could connect it to skewers. If you had a road bike with wheel skewers, you could use that instead of bolts to hold it onto your bike. And then it's got a few pillars there to keep the luggage out of your wheels. It comes with a center mount if you want to use it on a center mount and you don't have nuts and lug holes in the side of your frame. But if you do have lugs on your bike that you can bolt it to, then you can use these two extenders to bolt it onto your bike. So on my bike, I have places to mount it that are built into the bike with a nut and a bolt situation. So I'm just going to bolt it on right there, and then I'm going to bolt it on down at the bottom in the special luggage rack bolt hole. And then you can see these extendable sticks go up and down, side to side, so no matter what shape your bike is, it should fit. They really are pretty universal. You just have to remember to tighten them after you install it. It's 7 inches wide from the factory. My bike is wider because it's an e-bike, so I had to use the old frame stretcher. And it is made out of durable double welded aluminum, so it is super light. You see it's 1 pound, 9.8 ounces, or just over 700 grams on the scale. And once it's on there, you can see I'm having trouble with my fender. So if you have a fender, you can bolt the fender on over it or under it or even onto the brake extender bolts. And I'm using a level on here to keep it level. Then once I've got the level situation figured out, just extend the extender, bolt it onto the bike, and then check for level, and then tighten up that bolt on both sides, and then it will stay in place. And there's a look at the extra clearance you get with this disc model bike rack versus a normal model. It's got plenty of room for your disc brakes to operate back there. And then you are ready to ride. I've picked up some Bushwhacker hanging racks. I'll put links to these and the rack in the description, so that way now I can ride to the grocery store on the old bird bike and pick up my food.